Okay, guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about managing duplicate values and removing them where necessary. So in your data cleaning procedures or in your data cleaning process, as a requirement for efficient data analysis, there's always a need to manage duplicated values, and in most cases the best option we are left with is to remove them, because when you don't remove them they make a mess of your analysis by leading to wrong insights. So to keep this video as short as possible, I've written a script that's going to help us create the data frame required. The data frame consists of three different vectors: first name, phone number, and then gender. So I'm just going to run this first line. Yeah, after running it, there's a need for us to see what is there. So we're just going to print sample. We run this line again. Yeah, so as you can see, we have three columns: first name, gender, and phone. Then we have David, Esther, Priska, Yetunde, Dorcas, and Debbie. Then on purpose, I duplicated the value. As you can see, this same thing: David, Esther, Priska, Yetunde, Dorcas, and Debbie, just to be able to show you how to identify these duplicates and how you can remove them. So the first thing we are going to be doing is checking for duplicates. How do I know if my data frame or my data set has duplicated values? So there's a keyword, there's a function in R that is called duplicated. When you use duplicated and then the data set, it tells you, it gives you a logical output to tell you that, okay, this is true. Wherever you see true, it means it's duplicated. Wherever you see false, it means it's not duplicated. So we're just going to run this line of code again, and then, so as you can see, it's checking and it's telling us that in the first instance, look at 1 2 3 4 5 6, there was no duplicate. But the next items, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, it found duplicate. So the first 6 items are unique, while the other 6 items are duplicate. So what do we do with these duplicates? It's evidence that we have duplicated values. What do we do with them? We don't continue our analysis with them present. So the best bet for us is to remove them completely from the data set. So how do we do this? Again, we are going to be using a function in R called unique. Unique helps you to eradicate or erase the duplicated values, leaving behind only unique values from your data frame or your data set. So again, as usual, we're going to be running this code. I just named this variable new data, and new data is going to store the unique sample that we're going to get. So I'm going to run this. Yes, it has run. So let's see what is there. So I'm just going to type print new data. Yep, and then we're going to run it again. So as you can see, here it has reduced from 12 to 6. Here it has reduced from 12 to 6. And if you want to check again, you can just say duplicated, and then you type new data. You discover that the outputs, everything is false. So we no longer have duplicated values in this data set. And that's it. That's how to eradicate duplicates or duplicated values, as the case may be, from your data set, to enable you have smooth and error-free analysis. So see you in the other video. Like I will always say, to encourage me to keep dropping updates like this and more informative video like this, you can like the video, subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and share. Thank you.